Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Ocean View Beach Club-10 Nantasket Avenue. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Ocean View and within 7 miles of Thunder Lagoon Waterpark, Ocean View Beach Club-10 Nantasket Avenue features a garden, non-smoking rooms, and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The property is around 8.4 miles from Northside Park, 13 miles from Roland E. Powell Convention Center and Visitors Info Center and 15 miles from Ocean City Boardwalk. Guests can enjoy garden views. Complete with a private bathroom equipped with a shower and free toiletries, guest rooms at the hotel have a TV and air conditioning, and selected rooms have a seating area. At Ocean View Beach Club-10 Nantasket Avenue, every room is equipped with bed linen and towels. Guests at the accommodation will be able to enjoy activities in and around Ocean View, like cycling. Ocean City Harbor is 15 miles from Ocean View Beach Club-10 Nantasket Avenue, while Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk is 16 miles away. The nearest airport is Ocean City Municipal Airport, 19 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.